Hello and welcome to the Digging Life YouTube channel. So this today is an unboxing of the Sinosmart or Sinosmart that you may have seen on the some of the forums like the Nissan Qashqai and the Nissan X-Trail forums. So this is how it comes delivered, brown cardboard box. It says Sinosmart on the side. So I've literally just cut the box before I started recording. This is how it comes. First time for me. So I've got a microfiber cloth. Pretty nice, got Sinosmart on it. Make your car smarter. Okay, yep, that's for the screen I'm guessing. And then you've got the wiring loom and the CAN bus and the Wi-Fi adapter. Now let's have a look what else is in here. You've got an adapter for the DAB radio side of it, and you've got a sat-nav cable because my car's already got sat-nav in it. And then this is the main unit. Pretty well packaged. Let's just get rid of that. So yeah, label on there, telling you what product it is: DVR, car camera, car monitor, car navigation. Got the company address on it. Made in China, just like everything is these days. And it's got a screen protector on it. Very nice quality. Very impressed. So this is the 2K screen that I opted for. As you can see, it's the 8GB, 128 gig, 8 core, 2K QLED screen. It's got the built-in fan. This is where all your ports and sockets go. That's your FM antenna, your GPS and your 4G antenna. And these are all the clip-in points where you got to put your car clip-in points off your original. And it should just clip in. So yeah, really impressed. No damage during postage to the frame. It's all looking good. Quite a nice solid weight to it as well. It doesn't feel plasticky and cheap. So yeah, it's a thumbs up to now. So Sinosmart, you're doing good. Keep on going. So the installation, well, I won't do an installation video because there is one on YouTube already. So the next video will be showing you the screen, how good quality it is, and all the settings and various things, like you can use your steering wheel control still, and you can actually use your camera. There is a camera button on it. You just use your phone button on the steering wheel. And I'll talk through about connecting up the DAB aerial because there's quite a few questions about that. And I'll tell you how easy or difficult it was to install. I'm sure it'll be absolutely fine. Okay, thank you. Subscribe and like my channel. Thank you very much.